Hello everyone. So in this program, we are going to print multiplication table in this format. So for that, first we need to decide for which number we want to print the multiplication table. Let's say, for example, we want multiplication table for 2. So this is how we do it. So in range starting from 1 to 11. Print, let's say this is for string format. So here, so for which number we want it, let's say something like for 2. Okay. Right. And 2 into 8. Let's save this program. So I will save this maybe somewhere. We'll create a new folder called Python net. So let's run this. There is no indentation, is wrong. So let me go to that. There's a program, Python. So here it is. So in case if you want to have a multiplication table for 5, then simply replace this with 5. But every time you can't, modify this print statement, right? So instead of that, you can have a variable called num. So where you can have that. Instead of giving 5 here, only one time you can modify this. So this is for a specific number. What if we want to take the input from the user and print the multiplication table for that specific number? So for that, let's take a user input. Instead of that static value, let's take an input as a user, enter the number. Okay, and before using that number, we need to convert that into integer. So just use int around this. That should be fine. Let's run this program again. Now it will ask, let's type 10. Here it is. Run it again. Maybe 8 or maybe 99, anything. So it is that simple. But what if you want to have multiplication tables till the number you entered? That means, let's say something like you entered 10 and you want multiplication table from 1 to 10. Then how to do that? So simply we can modify this same program. Okay, so how? Let's see this. For let's say something like x in range from 1 to till this number you want, right? So I will give you that number here. And let's have this indentation. Remove this. And here, instead of giving number, we need to give just x. Because since we have a for loop over here, the first time it will give 1, next time 2, 3, 4, till this number. Okay, let's run this. Enter the number, let's say 5. You see this, right? You got it 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, but not the 5, since it's only because of this. So we need to have n plus 1 over here. So let's run this program again. It's 5. Let's say 10. 10. So if you want to have a separator between each multiplication table, you can do that. Maybe you can add a print statement here. Maybe something like this. Let's run this again. 4. That's it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks.